Hello friends, today I'm showing you this laser measure. This is for 262 feet and laser measurement tool is 80 meter digital laser distance meter. This is a USB rechargeable electronic tape ruler with backlight and LCD for area volume Pythagorean measurement device. And you can see I'm opening the box, and this is a high precision distance meter. The accuracy of this laser meter is plus minus 2 millimeter and a wide measurement range from 0.03 meter to 80 meter. And you can see like the quality is good, and there is a side for putting in the hand rack, and this is the laser that used to measure the distance, and this is the USB charging port. The manual is given that will describe all settings and how you can use it. This is a multiple measurement modes. This measure device has a rear by front and baseline, allows you to fast automatic calculation of area and volume. So this refined metal shell of this digital distance measuring tool is for more shock resistance and offers a more comfortable touch feel. And you can see I'm trying to now measure the distance from it. So there is an on and off button. You just keep on pressing and this will on it. You can see the battery indicator and everything on the LCD screen, and then you can just change it to feet or meter, whatever the measurement you want, and you can just try to measure this. So there will be a laser red light that you can point towards the area where you want to measure it, and press this button again. This will set it up. So as you can see, this is a 9.87 feet. So it's pretty easy and straightforward. The more description is given in the manual. This is a multi-purpose laser measure device and can be widely used in interior decoration, interior design, construction, room buildings, factories, anywhere. So this is very good for realtors as well. And you can see there is a 4-line of data LCD display and high definition backlit enable to compare data more clearly and conveniently. So as you can see all the button, this is a Pythagorean and the continuous measure, as well as the other measure that you can use. So it can store up to the memory, and you can also clear the memory if you want to. As you can see the laser, I'll show you, and it's pretty easy. Just put it on a distance and just click and measure everything. This is a IP54 waterproof level and dustproof function, so protects the laser measure tape to that maximum extent. And this is for the USB charging, and you can just put a micro USB cable to charge it. So here I'm just putting the micro USB cable to charge. It's all good.